15 kilometers. Continue
Exit na
straight.
kami to Kananaskis.
Ay, ito na yung pinuntahan natin noon, di ba no?
Yeah,
Nila
we've been
ano?
here.
Ha?
Yeah, we've been here na sa lake niya. Mataas na rin ang bundok, oh. Ito ang Kananaskis view. Yung puro bundok. Careful wildlife.
Chasing bear. We are chasing bear.
No, it's not. It's a deer. There you go.
We just started.
Ang buburok ng pito. Look at the view. Mimi, look at the view. See the beauty of Alberta.
Here in Kananaskis.
The beautiful Alberta. Oh, there's a deer. Yung pala kanina is mountain goat. This is, it's a mountain goat. So,
Yeah, that's nothing.
pero medyo cloudy siya na. See the cloud formation on the top of the mountain. Huwag lang uulan. See, ang daming buntukan ng Alberta.
In 2 kilometers, turn left onto Mount Lorette Ponds Day Use.
Okay, we're entering Mount Lorette Ponds. Mount Lorette.
Ano dito tayo?
Hindi malayo yun. May pond dyan na parang lake na maliit.
Yan ba yun? Ito yata tayo noon eh. Right?
Prepare to park your car. You will need to walk to your destination from there.
Dito kami sa Kananaskis, Mount Lorette Ponds. So may konting... Ay, galing na kami dito.
Kailan?
Nung 3 years ago, marami kami lahat.
Ikutan lang naman ito. Pagano'n.
Sarap dito, sarap ng hangin, tahimik, malayo sa stress. Yan ang view. See the beauty of St. Lorette Pond. St. Lorette Pond.
Ano? Hugasan ko yung puwit mo sa lake? Hugasan ko yung puwit mo sa lake? Ha? Yes? Yes? Oh, bango. Ang bango.
And hooray! See the beauty of St. Lorette Pond. Yan ang beauty.
Sabay ba yan?
Oh, may isa pang beauty dito. Oh, ang laki ng bundok. Ang taas, ha? Wow. That's the amazing beauty of Alberta. Yung kotseng puti na nasa unahan namin, si Miss Sherilyn Manalo.
Manalo, yay! Give me my money! Yay! Saan ba yan ako kaya?
Hey!
Give
Oh, ang taas, ano? Tapos bato siya, ano? Batong bundok ng bato. See this, ano? Ang dami bundok, ano? Yan, may siguro meron ditong wild animals. Kasi We're still in Canalaskis. Road trip lang.
Baka makakita lang
Watching nature, breathing fresh air, look some greens.
Maybe there's bear.
Maybe we can see wild animals. Wow, look.
What's the cloud?
No, the mountain. It's a nice one. Ang ganda ng formation. A beautiful mountain. Ganda ng formation.
Parang hindi naging sa Bulacan. Wildflower.
Picture sa gitna ng kalsada.
Hindi na! Nalutan na!
Kasi wala sasakyan.
Dito ako mga ano, mga flowers. Ay, wag
Napakaganda na view.
kaya nga. Aldi, you can take a picture. On the road.
No, mama.
Yan o. Mag-road trip eh. Ayun o, maganda natin natin.